Hi class. Congrats on developing a roll of film. What we're going to do now is cut it up so it can be put inside a negative sleeve, which is going to be how you store your negatives. So take your roll of film, or your roll of film that was in the drying closet, and you're going to find a pair of scissors, which are in the dark room or the loading closet, and you're going to cut up your film. So every 5 frames, you're going to cut carefully in between them. There's 24 frames and there's space for 25 plus more actually, so just because of that uneven number, you're going to have at least one at the beginning or the end that's blank. That's fine. And when you slide them in, they just slide in like that, but this part of the end we don't have to keep. You'll take a marker when you're done with all that and put your name up at the top, and also date information and any information about the roll. So September 2019, student portraits, maybe you would write the zoo or whatever that roll is for you. I want you also to notice that the frames each have a number on top of them. So when you insert them in the negative sleeve, it's helpful to keep yourself organized for this next step with the frames in order. So I've got number 1, 2, 3, and then I start again at 4, 5, 6, 7, etc., all the way down to my 24th one. Once I've got all that together, it'll take you, 5-10 minutes maybe. Pull out your film map and put your name at the top, and what we're going to do is transfer all the settings information that you wrote down when you shot the film to the film map. So the first 2 in my row are blank, so I'm going to go now here, and this is the first one I shot because there's a frame number right there that says number 1. So I'd go to frame number 1 on my list and just transfer for f4.5 at 250, f16 at 1000, f5.6 at 500, etc., etc. And I realized I don't have information for the ones between 3 and 11, and so I'm just going to skip those. I'm going to go now to 11, so my 11's right here, f2.8 at 60, and then just keep filling them in until all of the settings are written on my map. And on the back, there's some questions that I want you to look over them right now, but we're going to respond to them in writing after you've made what's called a contact sheet later on.